udah nyampe di Guesthouse. Ini sekitar jam 12 siang. Kayaknya gue pengen nunjukin ke lo semuanya gimana sih penampakan Guesthouse gue saat ini. Ya ampun, sorry. Pertama gue mau nunjukin balkon. Di atas tuh keren banget sih. Ini tangga buat turun ke bawah kamar sih. Nah, kalau misalnya lo mau nikmatin pemandangan di balkon, gue bakal bikin ini dia balkonnya.
Udah keburu di sama kan mereka udah nangkep teroris itu kan yang mau pasang bom tanggal 22. Iya, tanggal 22 itu.
Here's the squad. Mas Roy.
Hai.
Hi. See you.
Welcome to Ladakh. Welcome to Guesthouse.
Hi. Hi. Only hi. Look at the view. I will show you my room. Lhachik Guesthouse is on the Changspa Road. Be careful. Yeah, here it is. It's only 800 rupees. It's kind of cheap and comfortable, and the view is amazing. If you want to go to the Leh, I recommend you this guest house. This is the bathroom, neat and clean. This is my bedroom. Bye.
Ada
1,000 upstairs to the Shanti Stupa.
Gila, kita sebanyak itu ya?
Itu masan kagak. Wow.
Nanti aja, kita harus menghemat berat.
Ya.
Menghemat nafas. Okay.
Shanti Stupa is on maybe only 1 kilometers from our guest house. Lhachik guest house. Look at that stairs. And I'm not breakfast yet. Not yet.
Kau yang kecil aja.
Tadi baru nyampe Shanti Stupa. Ini mau turun karena gue dulu punya cedera otot pas lagi hiking di Semeru. Jadi gue agak susah kalau pas lagi trekkingnya downhill kayak gini. But it's okay. The view is worth it. This is amazing. This is my bottle and my tiny hand. And that's my squad. you know, as long as I am in India and then heard that a lot of people speak English with accent. I mean, my accent was a little bit looks like an Indian people. I don't know, not really. Did I? No. Gak tau ya. Udah berapa anak tangga yang gue turunin. Tapi gue rasa udah ribuan. I don't know. Gitu. Guys, if you want to reach the Shanti Stupa, it's not very far from the main road of Leh Town. Gue sendiri, karena gue nginep di Lhachik Guesthouse. Dari Lhachik Guesthouse, I mean, it's around 800 meters or until 1 kilometers, I don't know. Guys, gue ditinggal, jadi gue rasa gue bakal lari. Kayak nggak bisa. I'm leaving.